Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this time we're demonstrating a unit coming from Hodge Restoration in Inman, South Carolina. Thank you very much to my friends at Hodge Restoration for your business from clear across the country. I got my information mostly over the phone, it appears, on this one because I've got this radio down as a 69 Chet. So that could either be a 69 Charger or a 69 Challenger. You decide. Anyway, customers requested the modern internal conversion to add FM wired to the original connectors so you don't get that big increase in output power, but you do get FM and you get a much brighter sounding 8-track because now it has my preamp instead of the factory preamp. And I've actually got the 8-track tamed down quite a bit because it also has a new head, and so with my preamp and the new head, I mean, it is shrill and tinny, so I had to actually crank the tone, crank the response down a bit. So let's go ahead and turn it up. Got to set the AM at the moment to the one strong station I get.
During that game, if you remember, J.J. Watt, his NFL.
Okay, now we'll just check our balance control real quick.
Are you serious? Are you serious? Well, that's the way everyone else is reacting to J.J.
Balance
Watt
right,
today.
balance left,
Tackle for a loss,
right,
fumble, pass
left.
defended. Watt has done it all.
Easy enough.
9-3, Cardinals lead with 8:55 to go in the third.
Tone down.
The Colts okay.
Tone up.
Concussion.
Okay, let's go to FM. On this model, if it doesn't have an AM/FM switch, we switch between bands by turning it off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off on. Okay, now we're on FM, so we'll zoom in on the radio and just run it down the dial, make sure we pick up some FM stations.
Acompáñanos en el campamento. Abran las puertas. Un campamento.
Just find me, let's chop it up. Yeah.
Any brand I take personally and recommend to my patients.
Alright, so that's quite a few FM stations there. Okay, let's try the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka here.
Right, so I wished for you with all my might. Ah, plenty of pebbles upon.
Okay, at the end of a song there. Crank it up. Make sure there's no bleed over between tracks, and we have silence, which is good. Just wait for it. There we go. Alrighty, pull the tape out and the radio comes back. So that takes care of that. We do have a brand new dial lamp in there. I can see that it's a new one. It's all nice and shiny. So she's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm probably ready to have some supper here. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio here, and you just see what I can do to an old ancient AM radio. I can add FM. We can also add Bluetooth, USB reader, HD radio. It does have an aux input installed, so anytime there's audio present at the aux input jack, it will automatically switch over to the aux input. So thanks so much for watching and listening, guys. Thank you, Hodge Restoration in Inman, South Carolina. To reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below. And if you download and print a work order, that will answer all your questions about all the options I offer, prices, and turn times. So before calling me with a bunch of questions, have that work order in your hand so that it's a 3-minute phone call instead of a 30-minute phone call. Because, guys, the work happens on the bench, not on the phone. So that's where I need to be most of the time. Thanks so much for watching and listening again, and we'll see you all next time.